New to Excel? I'll show you 6 must-know Excel formulas that will instantly make your work faster and smarter. Before we dive in, let me show you the final result. In this single Excel sheet, I've calculated total salary, average score, pass-fail status, text cleanup, and automatic remarks. All using just 6 simple formulas. Let me show you how. Imagine this as your data, Formula 1, sum. Let's start with the most basic and important formula, sum. To calculate the total salary, type the formula as equals sum, open parenthesis, D2:D, 18 close parenthesis. This instantly adds all salaries. Formula 2, average. Next, let's calculate average marks. Type the formula as equals average open parenthesis, C2:C, 18 close parenthesis. Excel automatically finds the average. Formula 3. If. Now something practical. Let's check who passed. Passing marks equals 60. Formula will be like equals if cell C2 is greater than or equal to 60, pass, otherwise fail. Drag it down, and Excel instantly labels results. This formula alone is used everywhere. Exams, KPIs, targets. Formula 4. Count. Want to know how many records you have? Use equals count, open parenthesis, C2:C, 18 close parenthesis. It counts all numeric values. Super useful in reports. Formula 5. Concat/TEXTJOIN. Now let's make Excel output more readable. To combine name and department, equals text join open parenthesis dash space true comma A2 comma B2 close parenthesis. Result additive, HR clean, professional and readable. Formula 6, VLOOKUP. Finally, one powerful formula, VLOOKUP. Let's use it to assign remarks based on marks. Instead of writing a long nested if function like this to get the remarks based on marks, we can use the simple VLOOKUP function. Formula will be like equals VLOOKUP open parenthesis C2 comma select range like this, comma 2 comma true close parenthesis. This automatically assigns performance levels. Bonus tips. Tip 1. These 6 formulas cover 80% of day-to-day Excel work. Tip 2. Master these first before jumping into advanced formulas. Tip 3. Combine if plus VLOOKUP to build smart dashboards. If you are new to Excel, this is your foundation. Comment, Excel beginner ready. If you learned something new, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next Excel lesson. Remember, Excel isn't hard. It just needs the right formulas, explained the right way. And that's exactly what we do here at DP Tutorials.